Matman has one head, one head, one head. Matman has one head so that he can think. Matman has two eyes, two eyes, two eyes. Matman has two eyes so that he can see. Matman has one nose, one nose, one nose. Matman has one nose so that he can smell. Matman has one mouth, one mouth, one mouth. Matman has one mouth so that he can eat. Matman has two ears, two ears, two ears. Matman has two ears so that he can hear.
Listen. Listen.
Matman has one body, one body, one body. Matman has one body to hold what is inside.
His heart, his tummy, his lungs.
Matman has two arms, two arms, two arms. Matman has two arms so that he can reach.